Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Darkchild magic effectively. Darkchild is magic's ultimate ability, transforming her into a demonic form. This powerful state drastically buffs all her actions for a duration of 12 seconds. Understanding its core benefits is crucial for dominating your opponents. It's about more than just raw power. It's about strategic timing and maximizing every enhanced ability to turn the tide of battle. The key to Darkchild's success lies in its activation. Always aim to transform before diving into the action, ideally from a safe, unseen location. Activating it mid-fight can leave magic vulnerable due to her relatively low health pool. By entering the fray already in her enhanced state, you ensure maximum impact from the very first strike, gaining bonus health and overwhelming foes immediately. Once transformed, Darkchild amplifies all of magic's abilities. Her Soul Sword, for instance, delivers 3 powerful hits per slash, though slightly slower. Magic slash projectiles travel faster and hit harder, while Umbral Incursion's dash becomes quicker. Even stepping discs are faster, and Eldritch Whirl gains increased range, hitting multiple times. Demon's Rage summons a more potent demon, ensuring every action is devastating. With Darkchild active, focus on aggressive plays. Use the boosted damage to quickly dispatch squishier targets. Remember magic's passive, Limbo's Might, which converts damage dealt into bonus health, making you incredibly resilient during this state. Utilize the enhanced speed of stepping discs and Umbral Incursion to outmaneuver opponents, flank them, and maintain relentless pressure for the entire 12-second duration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.